Hello YouTuber, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about make money in the metaverse. The metaverse has become one of the most prevalent buzzwords circling the world in the recent months, encouraging people to study how to make money within the metaverse. As the term metaverse has unexpectedly risen in popularity and investors are scrambling to take advantage of it. Whether you are a veteran or a complete beginner, read all the useful information that you need to get started. Number 1. Invest in the metaverse to make money within the metaverse. Investing in the metaverse is one way to make money in the metaverse, but it does come with a great deal of risk. Global virtual world revenue growth is projected to grow from $180 billion in 2022 to about $400 billion by 2025. However, the metaverse is still in its infancy and investing here can be very risky. There are three main formats when it comes to investing in the metaverse: buying the virtual land, metaverse stocks, or metaverse token. Additionally, all three of these formats allow you to make money in the metaverse in completely different ways. Metaverse lands. Virtual land is a potential investment opportunity for everyone who is willing to take the risk. The most popular metaverse with purchasable real estate and decentralized and Zana. To get the idea of all the use cases of virtual land, check out this article. Metaverse stocks. Metaverse stocks are an easy way to make an investment in the metaverse. Many experts are optimistic about the growing value of traditional metaverse companies. If you are considering investing in metaverse stocks, make sure to take a conservative position on them. Metaverse tokens. Currently, metaverse projects on blockchain are powered by metaverse cryptocurrency. The tokens of a certain metaverse get all their value from their associated metaverse. Thus, it is very important to make sure that the metaverse tokens you are purchasing belong to reputable metaverse. The second method is play metaverse games to make money in the metaverse. The introduction of NFTs and cryptocurrency to gaming has created a whole new GameFi gaming models. The Zana metaverse as well as others have adopted GameFi platforms on their metaverse. This means you can join these metaverse to gain access to numerous games with pay to earn features. There are a variety of play to earn games on Metaverse and they offer various rewards, but mostly in games items that can be sold to other players. Unlike traditional video games, most P2E games are decentralized, which means they are jointly controlled by developers and players. They create value for other players as well as for developers. Third method is metaverse business allow you to make money in the metaverse. Create a metaverse business allow you to make money in the metaverse, but much like a real business will require some initial capital. There are many different types of metaverse business you can create to make money in the metaverse. Some of these businesses include renting, creating virtual events, or providing advertisement in the metaverse. Waiting. People who buy land in the metaverse can make money in the metaverse by renting out their property. A lot of company projects and entrepreneurs could be interested in renting out your land. Host virtual events. Another great way to make money in the metaverse is to build a commercial revenue to host virtual events. Virtual events like virtual concerts or shows are a potentially lucrative business opportunity on the metaverse with an excellent growth horizon. Advertising. If you own some metaverse land or are renting some out, you can feature advertisement on it to make money in the metaverse. The fourth method is create metaverse clothes to make money in the metaverse. Renowned fashion brands like Gucci and Louis Vuitton are experimenting with virtual clothing. These major fashion brands are creating and introducing NFTs that can be used as virtual clothing for metaverse avatars. Virtual clothing NFT created on Zana can be sold on numerous NFT marketplaces on various blockchains, but it would be recommended that people use Zanalia to sell these NFTs. The fifth method is create NFT art to make money in the metaverse. Another great way to make money in the metaverse is to create digital art using NFT. NFTs are attracting the attention of viewers and buyers from around the world. The metaverse offers a unique way to approach the NFT art make market and has even made numerous innovations in space. Artists can bring or make NFT art in the Zana metaverse and display them in the virtual art galleries. Avatars to make around in them, browse the art pieces on display and even purchase the NFT art they like. The sixth method, developing land to make money in the metaverse. A very interesting way to make money in the metaverse is by helping other people develop their metaverse land. For example, if a person wants to post virtual concerts on their metaverse land, they will need to develop a virtual concert hall, decorate and work on the aesthetic of the land to make it appropriate. A lot of companies and entrepreneurs might choose to hire someone or an agency to develop their land for them. You can charge your clients a premium for developing their virtual land so that you can make money in the metaverse. Seventh method is develop games to make money in the metaverse. There are few things to consider when developing a metaverse game. First, the game must be compelling and unique. Second, it should be easy to use and accessible to a wide audience. If you have a great idea for a game, Metaverse is the perfect place to make it happen and start earning money. The eighth method is Metaverse. Influencers can make money in the Metaverse. Needless to say, the Metaverse can completely change our lives and will change the outlook of social media. Similarly, food influencers can cook together, travel influencers can share their experiences with each other. It's a virtual world that is borderless and allows anyone to make a pioneer, innovative, or creative genius. There are numerous ways to make money in the metaverse. It's too early to draw a conclusion about what the metaverse will be in the future. But there is one thing for sure, it will revolutionize the world we know. As mentioned before, the metaverse is still in its infancy and not yet easily accessible to everyone. However, this is what makes it very important to educate yourself before the masses do. Whether you want to create and sell virtual goods, provide services, or become a real estate tycoon, There are many ways to make money in the virtual world. Remember to be creative, know the risk, and do some research before you jump in. Thank you for watching our video.